Uy! Okay. No, no. She got that. So we're ready to go! Sa sentro. Yapit pa may sa 7-Eleven. She's drinking her juice. She just woke up though. It's been more than an hour since we left home. And she's been sleeping and now she's awake. That place is our property. That's still ours, all the way down there across the road. And here's my husband.
Hey.
And that's my baby Agui there. Hey. Come here. So here where our property ends. That part is not ours, so this one is ours. So I'm gonna tour you around. Here's the Calamansi, Limoncito, and Bisaya. Look, may mga unod. It's so nice to have this farm. I'm gonna show you guys the view here. If you have like a 2-story house, it would be so nice and breezy here. And that part there is still ours. Have some cassava there. Oh. The way, naapoday mi mga kakao. Oh, nada to oh, kakao. Kakao. I think, I don't know ha if nana ni unod atong i-check. Wow, look. Out. May unod. Hello. Una pa jud oh. Kid. Tanawa green pa noon siya pero at least anay unod. Dira. Dira oh. Tawag po siya gikakaw dari jud. Naman siya sa bana kamansi or marang. Kamansi ata na. So, naglanta. Nakabalik ko dari do. Nay, halas na to. Mura kong bumatay, nakakita sa halas, yapay. Nabubalik, tagi ko sa masakyanan. Uy. Good morning everyone. It's another day in this mountain. Inat! Tina! Good morning! Papa, good morning!
Good morning.
Now, nag-iinit pa ako ng tubig for our coffee. This is our life here up in a mountain. And that's our tent. It was raining last night also. And then, but we sleep in our car.
Huh?